It's so pretty down here. Isn't it just beautiful? Seeing other women walk or run or exercise, it's just beautiful. Good morning. This is where I'm going for a walk today. It's the Inner Harbor, downtown Baltimore. I'll be telling you how God is at work. So let's do this. He's telling me to keep creating, even when things are hard, because I bring joy to the world, and that itself is beautiful. I mean, look at what God created. Isn't it beautiful? He created the heavens and the earth, and He sent His only Son to die on the cross so that our sins are forgiven. Like, this whole estate looks so pretty. God, when you do for others, look out for me too. So I'm gonna keep running. I really gotta get back to my routine. Often in the gym when fall starts. But if you like my mini rant and you want to see more of this, please give me a follow, subscribe, like. Bye bye. Quick shout out to this week. It's from BGM hair. I think it's the 26-inch cold hair. I'm gonna give you my code Heisman. Put it at checkout and you get a discount. I think it's 20%. So you don't need no glow here. See, you just wear and go. Wear and go. I love it. So get yourself one. Like, the place is, I haven't even done anything because I was going for my walk. But yeah, that's what's up. Find joys in your hobbies. Do you like cooking? Do you like running? Do you like walking? Do you like comedy? What do you like? Find joy in that. And for me, it's going for a walk. My shadow is so pretty. Like, yeah, I'm the image and likeness of God. The views now I'm going by. It's so pretty down here. They clean their water. That is so nice. That machine over there is just clean. It's just cleaning all the dirt. I like that. Bencha Anthony 00 mileage na speedometer na to 60. Samahani kwa mwenyewe kwa ndikli. Remember, you can always walk when you're tired. So this is me resting and admiring myself. So please make sure you take walking in the beginning or running at your own pace, because you're doing it for you and your mental health. So yeah, that's just me resting before going to my next lap and whatever that we call it. If you like it till here, don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate everyone that follows my journey. Make sure you have a good playlist that you listen to on your runs or on your walks. I also would not recommend going with your wig to a walk. This was a bad option for me. I don't know why I tried this, but I liked it. Seeing other women walk or run or exercise, it's just beautiful. I'm about to get to where I'm about to go. So, thank you for coming on this walk with me. Bye.